What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. I'm back. How's everybody doing on this marvelous Monday? It's Money Monday, guys. Hope you're doing well today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, we are back with one of my affiliate programs that I have been in since March of 2022. Okay, I am an affiliate marketer. If you're here for the very first time, you may be new to my channel, but I'm an affiliate marketer heavy. I promote other people's products, been doing it for years, and I'm able to earn instant commissions anywhere from $100 to $2,000 commissions any way I want. We have digital marketing courses that teach you and show you how to make money online. All right, so I'm back with one of my favorites, the only automated system generating instant $200, $400, $800, and $1,500 commissions per sale on autopilot. Complete turnkey business in a box. You can go check this out at www.getpaidfromhome.info. I also put a link in the description to check out the sales funnel that we have for this. That's a turnkey marketing system, and it will do all the selling and telling, follow up with your leads, sending your prospects emails on your behalf, okay, about this program. All right, but I want to show you today, guys, because they have added a new process with this particular program. There's a call center, okay, that answers all your questions. They're waiting to take your calls at 1-800-232-2109. My ID is 442-89634. Now, initially when this program was created, the only way you could get in is you have to call the call center, give you ID, and they have to sign you up. But they have since added an option for those go-getters that says, hey, I've seen enough, I'm ready to roll, I don't have to wait on the call center, I'm ready to get started right now today, and I'm ready to sign up. So they've added the option where you can just go ahead and bypass the call center and sign up directly. I love that, okay, because there are some action takers that say, hey, I've seen everything, I've even called the call center, I've got all my questions answered, I don't have to wait on them to call me back, I'm ready to sign up right from my computer or my smartphone right now. Okay, so what happens is when you go to this page that I have the link in the description for, if you're ready to go ahead and proceed, you click get started. Okay, you click get started, and when you do that, let me show you what you're gonna see. Take you to this page. It's going to say, hey, here's your new member registration, here's your sponsor, their ID. You need to fill this information out, and down here is where you're going to select which program do you want to get started in. You want to earn $200 commissions, $400, $800, or you want to go all in and get all levels and pay $1,500. So it's going to be $19.97. So you add this number on the left to this number on the right, and that will be your total. So if you want to come in at the 200, it'll be $297, 400 is $497, the 800 is $997. If you want to go all in, it's $19.97. Okay, so you will make that selection, and when you click create account, so make sure you have the correct email in here, because this is very important if you're serious about getting started, because the system is going to send you an email that's going to give you instructions on getting started. Okay, so please follow directions here. Put in the right email, because this system is going to send you the link to get started and go ahead and move forward without waiting on the call center. All right, so you're going to click create account, and what's next? Okay, you're going to see this next. A welcome email has been sent to the email you have provided. Please make sure to check your spam folder and or promotions folder if you cannot find it in your inbox. Please log into your back office using the credentials sent to you in your welcome email to view the payment methods for both the sponsor and the admin fees. Please note you will not be allowed full access to your back office until both payments are received and confirmed. Okay, so that's why it's very important that you put in the correct email, because the instructions are going to be in the email. Okay, this way this keeps it simple. All you got to do is follow the instructions. So I created one just so we can make sure, so I can show you how it works. All right, so you get your email, so check it out. Okay, so what you're going to receive is this email. It says, welcome. Hello, you have taken the first step to creating a self-sustaining income generating business from the comfort of your home, yada yada. All right, and it gives you it shows you your name, your member ID, and your email address. Then the system gives you a temporary password right here. It says temporary, and it says click here to log in. When you initially log in, you will be able to see how to complete your sponsor and admin payments to unlock full access to your back office. Once all payments have been received and confirmed, all of your tools and resources will be available for use. Okay? Please make sure once full access is allowed, you make sure to change your password to something you can easily remember. So they give you a temporary one here. If you have any issues, they provide their email. Okay, if you have any issues logging into your back office, feel free to contact support team. All right, guys. So now they have made it where you don't have to wait on the call center. This is awesome. Okay. Now, what I have created for the folks that want to pay with a debit card or credit card, I create a separate page, and right here it will show you once you click, once you get that email and it says, well, here's how your sponsor want to get paid. It's going to list the different options. Okay, Cash App, Venmo, and then it says if you want to pay with debit card or credit card, you're going to get a link and it's going to take you to a page, this page. Make a payment via debit card or credit card. Of course, there's no refunds because this is digital products. Okay, once you have access to that, the company can't take them back. You have access, so there's no refunds. This is affiliate marketing. All right, so I have created the buttons for each membership level. All right, so just click on which level you're trying to get started with, and it will take you to where you can pay with a debit card or credit card if you choose to do that. Otherwise, I have other options. You can pay Cash App, Venmo, Zelle. Okay, guys. So this is an awesome program. I've been in it since March of 22. I love these instant commissions. I don't have to wait on anybody to pay me. I have to wait till the end of the month, the end of the week. As soon as someone signs up with your link, you're paid instantly. Okay. As you can see, I'm in my back office, and right here it tells you active member since March 2022. I'm at the diamond level membership, which is the top level. Okay, so I can receive payments on all levels. Let me just show you the products. Diamond level, so you'll see this is my level. Check it out. Okay, when you click your products, these products are unlocked. You can only access the products that you purchase at that level. So as you can see, here's the bronze, that's the $200 level. The gold, that's the $400 level. The platinum is the $800 level. And then, of course, the diamond, the top level, is the $1,500 level. And that means you're all in. As you can see, I have access to all the products. All right, guys. Awesome deal. Let's go back to the sales page. All right, so we're back at the sales page. First thing you want to do is go ahead and watch this video right here. Okay, and then you can watch this one that will give you even more details because it's considered a presentation. All right, and then this one right here will go over the back office, so you get an idea what your back office is going to look like once you get into the platform. All right, and then of course, if you have questions that you need answered, you need to call the call center. Give them my ID, 442-89634. They can sign you up there right on the spot, or they can answer your questions. And if you decide, oh well, later I'm going to do it after you've spoken to them and you need to do something else, and then you want to come back and sign up, all you got to do is go to this page, go down here and click get started and go through the process I just showed you. Create your account, pick the level, and you can be signed up automatically. Okay, I'll be notified. I will mark you paid. Once I receive my payment, it's all automated. I love it. All you need is a smart device and a Wi-Fi connection to get started with this program. All right, guys? So thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And before you leave, please make sure you smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell. All right, so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. But go check this thing out. Complete turnkey business in a box, instant commissions, any way you want. See you guys on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.